The day after Mr. Willy Wonka officially handed over the keys to his chocolate factory, Charlie Bucket woke up in disbelief. He rubbed his eyes and looked out the window of the grand factory bedroom that used to belong to Mr. Wonka. The sight was magical. Candy-colored trees lined the rivers of flowing chocolate, and every corner sparkled like a dream. "Charlie!" Grandpa Joe's voice called from the hall. "Are you ready for your first official day as the factory's owner?" Charlie leaped out of bed, his heart pounding with excitement. "Coming, Grandpa!" As they made their way to the great glass elevator, Charlie marveled at the possibilities ahead. The factory wasn't just a place for making candy, it was a world of endless imagination. "Do you think I can do it, Grandpa?" Charlie asked nervously. Grandpa Joe gave him a reassuring pat on the back. "If anyone can, it's you, Charlie. You have the heart and the imagination. Mr. Wonka wouldn't have chosen you otherwise." Charlie's first stop was the inventing room, where the Oompa-Loompas were hard at work on a new project. They greeted Charlie with cheerful smiles and little songs as he inspected their progress. Among the bubbling vats and whirring machines, a strange door caught his eye. "What's that door?" Charlie asked. The chief Oompa-Loompa, named Jiffy, looked hesitant. "That, young master, is the Wonder Vault. Only Mr. Wonka ever went inside." Charlie's curiosity sparked. "Can I go in?" Jiffy hesitated before nodding. "Of course, Master Charlie. It's your factory now." The door creaked open, revealing shelves upon shelves of mysterious objects, glowing candies, shimmering liquids, and gadgets that defied explanation. One item, in particular, caught Charlie's attention, a small golden compass with a swirling candy-like design at its center. "What's this?" Charlie asked. Jiffy's eyes widened. "That's the Compass of Marvels. Mr. Wonka said it leads to unimaginable adventures, but it was never used. Too risky, he said." Charlie's fingers closed around the compass. "Let's see where it takes us." The compass began to glow as soon as Charlie held it tightly. A soft hum filled the air, and suddenly, the great glass elevator shot toward them. It stopped just outside the Wonder Vault as if waiting for instructions. "Where do you want to go?" Grandpa Joe asked. Charlie smiled and held up the compass. "Wherever this takes us." The elevator shuddered, and with a jolt, it launched upward at an impossible speed. The factory disappeared below as they soared higher and higher until they were surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors. The elevator finally stopped, and the doors slid open to reveal an incredible sight, a floating island made entirely of candy and sweets. The ground was marshmallow soft, and the air smelled of peppermint. "What is this place?" Grandpa Joe asked in amazement. Jiffy, who had joined them in the elevator, pointed to a candy-shaped tower in the distance. "This is the land of forgotten sweets. Mr. Wonka dreamed of coming here but said it wasn't ready." As they explored the island, Charlie and his companions encountered strange creatures, giant jelly beans with arms and legs. They seemed friendly at first, bouncing around and singing, but their leader, a massive red jelly bean, stopped them in their tracks. "Who dares enter our land?" the jelly bean boomed. Charlie stepped forward bravely. "I'm Charlie Bucket, the new owner of Mr. Wonka's factory. We mean no harm." The jelly bean leader squinted at Charlie. "Prove your worth, young master. Solve the riddle of the everlasting gobstopper."